Hey guys, welcome back to Zone Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're doing a quick little video on Life is Strange that I'll be showing you how to find the save location plus the config file in case you wanted to change out some of the graphical settings that you can in game. Now, Life is Strange is simply in the documents folder for the save. It's going to be documents, my games, and you're simply going to want to go on Life is Strange 3 and Steam, and here is your save file. So if you have an old save or anything like that, you can simply copy paste anything like that on there. Now for the config file, that's the tricky one. The config file is actually hidden a bit further in because it's not named Life is Strange 3, it's actually named Siren. I don't know why that is. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments. So simply with the saved here, and here's your config file. You'll go to Windows No Editor, and boom. So these are all the settings you can put for the game. Basically change it up in case you have integrated graphics and you can't run it properly naturally. You can disable all of this, put it to 0, put it to 40%, just to get to squeeze out a few more FPS. Even the scalability is a bit different. Everything to squeeze out a few more FPS in the game. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Once again, I do very quick these how-to videos. There's not much to it. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content.